Yo, can you hear me now? Have I just been talking to myself this whole time? Can you hear me now? Am I deaf? Is it still not working? Yeah. Oh, right, right. God damn. Okay. Sweet, sweet. What is happening? So what I was just saying before is I had this marked up earlier. Was expecting price to come up into this area here before coming down, but it didn't quite do that. Pushed above here and ended up coming all the way back into this POI that I have marked up. Whether or not it's going to get that lower time frame chotch to then start going up through London session, unsure. Or it's going to continue to come down into this point of interest here. Overall, what I'm looking at higher time frame is for price to come back up into the high of this 1 hour trading range. We've just pulled back down into this area here. Could be coming up into here, which has a bit of imbalance in here. That's why it's a focus of mine, or pushing a little bit higher into here. And on our 4 hour, it could push into this 4 hour point of interest, which has a lot of liquidity sitting above these highs here. So here's our 15-minute low. Here's the point of interest that we have marked up currently. Could pull down into here first, or even lower than that, before getting our moves going back up. I don't really see price continuing to go up into these highs, up and into the high area, but we don't really know what's going to happen. So what I see at the moment is this is the 1 hour trading range high, the 1 hour trading range low. I'm expecting price to pull up into here, take these highs, take all the liquidity sitting above here into this point of interest, and then drop down, breaking the low and getting a new lower low for our 4 hour time frame. If you know what I'm talking about. If you don't, the free value day trading PDF course is in our link in our bio, so jump on and grab that if you don't understand. But that's what I'm currently looking at for gold. Let's have a look at GU. So GU, I'm waiting for price to come back up into these areas here. We're currently getting that retracement on our 15-minute time frame, back into either this point of interest or continuing up into this lower point of interest down here. Have some really nice areas. So this is a 15-minute point of interest, which has a bit of liquidity sitting above these areas, which is where we can see price potentially pushing. That is what I see currently. Overall, we've had that change of character on the 4 hour. We haven't had that full retracement yet. However, when we're looking at the daily, we still have liquidity down here on the daily, which price is just getting rejection from now. As you can see, price is getting rejection from this here now. So when we start to pull back up, we could just be coming into this daily point of interest area here, accumulation area for price to then move back down, which we could see happening later in this week, especially with the news that we have coming out. So yeah, that is what I see on GU. I'm currently waiting for GU to be pulling back up into these areas before I start to look at a trade on these. I don't usually trade like a lot of Forex, but yeah, see how we go. EU is the same. So we've seen price was getting a bit of rejection through here on our 15-minute time frame. We've now pushed up, breaking above all of this accumulation throughout here that happened today. We had that pullback and now price is pushing above. Whether or not it's going to continue to go up, we have to wait and see. Currently on the 15-minute, it looks like the closure is going to be down here. But yeah, we could see, well, I want to see price pushing up higher and higher up into this point of interest, or even breaking above up into this point of interest up here. We had these lows, the daily trading range lows, so we're very, very low in the range on all time frames. So for us to be getting those pullbacks back up is going to be something that we want to be looking at. And then we'll just have a quick look at GU. So GU, we were currently here when I had a look at the charts. Now we're pushing above, pushed above, just getting a lot of consolidation around here. On the 1 hour time frame, we have this very nice 1 hour point of interest here, and the 15-minute high here. We do have also this 1 hour point of interest up here, which I think is a couple of days away. So I didn't really look for that to be a thing yet. If we are looking at trades for today, what I want to see is price pulling back into this 5-minute point of interest and then getting our volume to start going up. In London session, we could see that retracement happen, and then over going into New York, continuing to push higher into the areas that we have marked out. But that is all that I'm looking at. Let's go. Happy New Year, brother. Happy New Year, bro. Another day trading, another day back. Yeah. So throughout London session, those are the pairs that I'm looking for. Currently, don't really have anything else that I want to be trading, especially on a Monday. We did have this very nice move down on gold, but being like the first, Happy New Year, brother. Happy New Year's. Being like one of the first weeks back, like proper weeks back in the year, we want to take it slowly. We don't want to rush into things and start losing early on in the year. Want to stick to that trading plan, stick to that risk management, and see what price is going to give us. So we push right down into this point of interest down here. Hopefully we see, like on lower time frames, price breaking above and start to create that market structure on the 1 minute, and then we can start to look for price to go back up. But other than that, it's most likely just going to push below here and continue down into here. For it to actually go up from this point, it's going to need like a lot of volume, and I don't think that's going to come in with London session. New York session, yeah, if this happened in New York session, I would be potentially like really looking for a buy, but throughout London session, I don't think there's going to be enough volume. So we will just be watching that, seeing how we go, and seeing with risk management is key. This is the way. This is the way. Yeah, risk management is key. I was doing some calculations on ChatGPT, just curiosity really on what if you had a 10k account and you made just 5% per day, like a 1 to 5, how much that could go to. What's goody, let's go. In like 200 trading days. Oh, it was insane. Let me just find it. I'll just find it for everyone. Let me ask again. We'll do it off a $500 account, yeah? If I had $500 and I made 5% per day for 200 trading days, what's my end result? So this is compounding interest. This is if you just made 5% daily, which like 5% daily if you can find, be patient, find those, 1 to 5s, whatever. So it says here, just so everyone can see, I'll read it out. If you started with $500 and made 5% profit per day, which just let me clarify, like it's not easy, but can be done. What about a $5 account? So if you made had a $500 account and you made 5% profit per day for 200 trading days, and there's 240 trading days in the year, okay, your end result would be approximately 8.6 million. 8.6 million, bro. Change the title, it's London session. Oh, my bad, bro. But yeah, so that's the name of the game for me this year. The aim of the game: stay consistent, stay disciplined. 5% per day, I'm happy. Not that I'm gonna, be making it straight away, but that's my goal. That's my goal for 2025, bro. 5% a day. See how we go. Did anyone catch the Apex funded account discount? Crazy numbers, bro. Show us the way, must. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I mean, we can only try. We can only try. Even like 3%. Like 3% is crazy. And you have to think of this like over a whole year. Like believe and achieve, 100%. What would 3% per day be? I think Shadow Monarch did. But even 3% a day, that'd be... It's actually crazy. Because from a $500 account, 3% per day would be 185,000 at the end of the year. And like when you relate that to working an actual job, like an actual 9 to 5, that's wild. $20 for 50k is crazy. Bruh, I know. Like it was like $16.70 USD for a 300k account. Like that's wild. I think it was like $30 NZD. $30 NZD for a 300k funded account. That's wild. Like the return on investment on that is crazy if you know how to trade. Sheesh, missed out. Bruh. Actually, it was like a New Year's sale, bro. It was like, bro, I don't even know. It must have been like 90% off. It was crazy. You'd be lucky to walk in. Yeah. That tax though, bro. Beats wins all day. Damn, I just passed my top step funded. Nice. Let's go. Let's get some W's in the chat. Let's go, Taraya. That's on, cuz. Well, it's not easy to pass funded accounts, man. Funded accounts are made so people fail. Wild. Wild. All you, bro. Nah, that's all you, cuz. That's all you. Congratulations, brother. Congratulations. Yeah, it was crazy. Like $16 USD for a 300k account. That's wild. I bought 20 of them. You can buy 20 of them through, like with Apex. It's crazy. Like, why would Apex give you 20 accounts, bro? They better be paying me up, bro. Honestly. Honestly. They best be paying me up, bro. Because, like, when you think about it, 20 accounts at 300k. Like you could, on a 300k account, you could easily make like, well, let's just say $200. All right, let's just say $200 on 20 accounts. Because you can copy trade them all. You can hook them up to NinjaTrader and copy trade them all. So $200 times 20. Like $200 is easy to make on a 300k funded account. So if you did $200, copy traded it, that would make you get like 4,000 USD for the day. Like, oh my God. I just can't understand. And then you do that, I think it's like 8 days for a payout. You do that over 8 days, and 8 days that's 32,000 USD, which like in NZD is 57,000. Like what the actual, man? What the actual? What is going on with the world? I mean, I'm not complaining. I am not complaining at all. But yeah, so that's what I'm looking at, team. Hope you guys got that. I'm about to switch over to jump onto the education platform and do a live session with all of you guys that are going to be in there. And hopefully we find some trades, bro. We're going to be looking for trades. We're going to be trading together. I've got my account ready. First trades of the year coming up. But yeah, so you got see everyone that's in the Discord in there. Other than that, I'm going to be live pre-New York as well. If you guys aren't in the education platform, just letting you guys know my pre-market analysis. So yeah, if you don't jump into the Discord, jump on to our pre-New York analysis, and we'll be doing the same thing there. Let's go. See you guys soon.